Welcome to Vegan Ultra. I'm your inspiration guide, Adam Gals, on this epic quest for hope, health, and happiness, in which I lose 150 pounds in 1 year on a whole food vegan diet while walking 3,000 miles to prove to myself, my family, and everyone watching on YouTube that we can all become the ultra versions of ourselves if we give it a chance and are powered by plants. This is the weekly nutrition update. How did I achieve 9 pounds of weight loss, as we talked about yesterday? Well, I'm very proud of this week's results. That's because not just did I lose all the weight and most of the water weight, I also had a family meal. Every New Year's Day, my family has a meal. So this year, the meal consisted of 2,000 calories in a 3-pound meal. It was a pizza party with some ribs, so I brought Amy's vegan pizza, the best vegan pizza I've found so far, and I cleaned out the rest of my microwave vegan meals. Very delicious. Offered, of course, to share this with everyone, and we had some whole vegan food as well. So remember, the goal here is about 17,500 calories a week, 2,500 per day, what the USDA recommends for the average man. And you can see it is rich in fruit. 5 pounds of tangerines on my long walk day, 2 pounds of apples on my weight training days, black grapes. This is God's own fruit, the tastiest fruit in the world. Watermelon, of course, great for lycopene. My double X soup. Now what I'm doing to save time is every 2 days, I just put 10 pounds of vegetables, legumes, grains, all mushrooms and spices into a crock pot, and I turn it into a giant soup that's good for 2 days. And we have now 96-ounce jugs of vanilla almond milk, still just 360 calories. You add the Ceylon cinnamon oil. This is the nectar of the gods. And on weight training days, the cinnamon pea milk, slightly higher calorie density, but much, much more protein. So in total, we can see the results coming in at 17,700 calories. This, by the way, was 21 pounds of fruit, 30 pounds of vegetables, 1 pound of nuts and spices, a total of 55 pounds of food, 8 pounds of food a day. For context, the average American eats 4 pounds of food per day, 3,500 calories. I am eating twice as much, 8 pounds a day, but 1,000 calories less. And with more exercise, that's how I'm able to lose an average of 4 pounds a week, in a healthy, sustainable way, confirmed by 3 doctors and a personal trainer. Looking at the macros, 102 grams of fiber per day. Remember, 36 is the recommendation, but 100 to 150 is actually ideal. 129 grams of daily protein. That is 1.3 grams per kilo. 0.8 is the RDA for people, 1.2 or higher for athletes. And if you're trying to gain muscle, 1.6 grams per kilo of target body weight. I'm at 1.7, 22% fat, 19% protein, 59% carbs. And remember, the Lancet meta-analysis of optimal carb intake to reduce mortality, around 53%, though higher carbs can potentially be healthy. Low carbs, though, for certain, higher mortality risk. If we look at the micronutrients, let's take a look at the sodium coming in at 2,000 milligrams per day, below the recommendation. And remember, potassium is the anti-sodium, dilates your blood vessels. 4,700 milligrams recommended. I'm almost at 11,000. Calcium, 5,337 on iron. And remember, the potassium to sodium ratio, government recommends 2+ as ideal. 1+ is healthy, according to the World Health Organization. I'm at 5.3. That is a new personal best. Now, what about next week? Well, according to the National Institute of Health body weight planner. If I eat 2,649 calories a day every day through July 6th to my 1-year goal, I should be on track for this glide path. But remember that it's a range 180 to 156 pounds. So just out of an abundance of caution, I am not increasing the amount of calories I am targeting. Still looking at around 2,500. So 25, 80 range there. Very similar. Basically, I'm trying to stick to the habit that is working for now in order to reach my weight loss goals and my fitness goals. So, thank you so much for joining me, finding out what I ate last week to lose 9 pounds in a healthy way on a Blue Zone vegan lifestyle. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video to help other people find it on YouTube, and consider trying a Blue Zone vegan lifestyle yourself. This is science-based magic and nutrition-fueled sorcery that's helped me to lose almost 100 pounds in 6 months, and can help anyone become the Captain America versions of themselves if you give it a chance, and are powered by plants.